In the name of God, who is most merciful and gracious. I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Honoring a real hero is the topic of this program. Nobel laureate Dr. Abdus Salam is a well-known figure in the world. In 1979, he was awarded Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Whatever benefits he got due to this honor, he devoted everything for the services and betterment of humanity. Regrettably, his motherland never honored him due to faith prejudices. But on the other hand, whole world has lot of respect for this real hero. Now you will watch a short video with thanks and kind courtesy of BBC, MTA and all others who prepared this program.
Imperial College London, where Dr. Abdus Salam spent many years teaching and researching, recently named its brand new library after him as a special tribute to honour this remarkable figure in humanity and science.
So I'm delighted that we are naming the library after a member of Imperial's community who made such important contributions to the world of science. I've no doubt that the new Abdus Salam Library will inspire many people over many generations to come.
So when we were thinking about who best to name it for, Salam was absolutely top of the list. A phenomenal physicist in his own right, establishing the theoretical physics group in Imperial, but also, of course, winning the Nobel Prize for his contributions in 1979, and his international work, so was bringing physics and bringing science to a much broader global audience.
In 1974, in Dr. Salam's home country of Pakistan, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community faced challenges as it was officially declared as non-Muslim, causing distress among Ahmadi Muslims worldwide, including Dr. Abdus Salam himself. His diary entry on that day simply said, "Declared non-Muslim, cannot cope."
My father never had any negative feelings towards Pakistan, not to the people, not to the country, even the politicians. He rose above it and he refused to allow it to make him have negative feelings towards Pakistan. He was very positive about Pakistan.
Despite this setback, he persevered in pursuing his passion, and in 1979 he achieved the Nobel Prize in Theoretical Physics.
For me and for the whole family, we've always been hugely proud of the legacy that he left behind, not only in his top-tier scientific work, which everyone knows about, but the humanitarian side of things.
An exhibition showcasing artefacts from Dr. Salam's life and career was also on display, inspiring many students and staff alike.
And we've seen even now over the last few weeks, and particularly today with the wonderful exhibition, literally hundreds of students coming through, engaging with the material, and I'm sure being inspired. You can see it in their faces.
It's a very special gesture indeed. There's one other library named after my father, which is in the Central University in Tehran, in Iran, and there's an Abdus Salam library there. But of course no one ever hears about it. And that was named in the 80s after my father, and that was a testament to the reflection that the Iranians had of my father. So actually, this gesture runs very deep and has a tremendous significance.
Dr. Abdus Salam's life serves as an example of devotion to his faith and unwavering loyalty to Khilafat.
Clearly, Hazuri Akdas has given us the guide that he wants to have more Ahmadis focus on research, and that is a critical part of it. But combine the research with the humanitarian side, the service of humanity. It's not just research for research's sake. Look at my father's example. He used the Nobel. It was a means to an end. It gave him the profile to do more humanitarian works. There's a much bigger prize, and that was a service of humanity.
Today, history unfolded at Imperial College London. The renaming of the Central Library to the Abdus Salam Library isn't just a change of name on a building. It's a vibrant tribute to the hero of Pakistan, inspiring the younger generations.
As we stand here, surrounded by the walls of knowledge that now bear his name, let us remember Professor Abdus Salam's legacy. May the legacy of Abdus Salam inspire generations yet to come.